Hi, my name is Natasha, and I am the Education Manager here at the Aveda Institute, Winnipeg. I first wanted to get into hair because a good friend of mine at the time enrolled, and I just thought, why not? And, I could see if I was good at it. What keeps me excited about hair is just the endless opportunity for growth and education. I just had so much fun attending classes. The people that were teaching me were so inspiring, and I wanted to be like them. A memorable teaching moment for me was coaching a student in the moment and giving them support and the tools to help them achieve that task. And then when they went to go do it, it actually worked. I love educating at the Institute because it's such an amazing culture. I have endless opportunities to grow myself, and I want to share everything that I know to our future to be great. Aveda is important to me because they are always striving to be better as a company, always keeping up with the competition, giving back to communities, giving back to nature, and that's something that really resonates with me. What people can expect from me when I teach them is that I am very driven. I am going to push them to work hard. I'm going to make them gain confidence and just become better versions of themselves. I've always loved educating with color. It's always been a passion of mine. I feel like the opportunities are endless with Aveda. The color is so customizable. And I love teaching students the points of difference. Our 10 points of difference is really special to Aveda. It will help learners achieve confidence and really push the boundaries in customer service. The main thing for me is that anybody that I teach, whether it's completing the Institute program, whether it's becoming an educator, the most important thing that I want them to take away is confidence.